Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, thank you so much for the time. Today, I would like to present about utilization of ultrasonic wave in the production of reduced graphene oxide from coconut shell biomass, eco-friendly and sustainable approach. My name is Nora Fazan. From Material Group with Indah Permatasari, Irmayatul Hikmah, Prasetyo Yuliantoro, and Dina Ratmawati from Telkom University Purwokerto. Graphene is a 2D material that has attracted the attention of many researchers because it has unique combination of properties including mechanical flexibility, high transparency, high surface area, high electrical conductivity, and chemical stability. The superior properties of graphene make graphene suitable for wide applications such as in energy application, for example, supercapacitor, solar cell, fuel cell, and batteries. There are several methods to synthesize of graphene. However, the first until three methods need high technology, high cost production, but produce a small amount of graphene. In other hand, reduced graphene oxide method produce a larger amount of samples. This method commonly uses graphite as the raw material. The synthesis process begins with the oxidation of graphite to obtain graphite oxide, exfoliation of graphite oxide to produce a graphene oxide, followed by thermally or chemical reduction to produce RGO. But this method uses dangerous raw material, for example, strong acid, and this method time consuming. So that synthesis of RGO at a large scale and efficient, sustainable, eco-friendly, and low cost remain a challenge. Some studies reveal that biomass-derived activated charcoal of carbon has great potential to replace graphite in the synthesis of graphene. Coconut shell, when carbonized, produce the charcoal that is then activated, resulting in activated carbon with a higher carbon content compared to other biomass sources, as supported by reference. However, the morphology of activated carbon, which consists primarily of pores, differs from the sheet-like structure of graphene. Therefore, additional processing steps are necessary to produce the graphene-like material. The utilization of ultrasonic waves offers several advantages, such as assisting in the exfoliation process, high reproducibility, speeds up of reduction process, environmentally friendly, control graphene sheet size. Hence, this study aims to development of a facile, efficient, low-cost, and eco-friendly method for the synthesis of reduced graphene oxide. Is number two, determination of the effect of ultrasonic utilization on the morphology, surface composition, crystal structure, and electrochemical properties of RGO material derived from coconut shell-based activated carbon. The study used several stages including carbonization, activation, exfoliation, and reduction. For the first time, the coconut shell was dried for 1 hour at a temperature of 300 degrees Celsius and then activated for 24 hours using potassium hydroxide as an activation agent. The sample was then was using DI water and exfoliated using an ultrasonic bath. The last stage is the reduction process to remove oxygen functional groups using a microwave for 5 minutes. And then the final material was characterized using a range of techniques including FESIM, EDX, XRD, and electrochemical testing to assess the morphology, elemental composition, crystal structure, and electrochemical properties of the synthesized RGO. This is a result and discussion. The XRD analysis, this is XRD pattern indicate a disruption between carbon layers and the formation of graphene within the porous carbon structure. In the sample treated with ultrasonic waves UV30 and UV60, the diffraction peak slightly broadens and decreases in intensity when compared to the UV0 sample. This result support the hypothesis that ultrasonic treatment plays a role in modifying the internal structure of carbon and has the potential to enhance the characteristic of RGO materials. Okay, this is FA-SIM and ADX analysis. The UV0 samples exhibit the formation of dense agglomerates with uneven distribution. In contrast, ultrasonic treatment in the UV30 and UV60 sample resulted in more distinct exfoliated structure with a longer ultrasonic duration, promoting the formation of thin sheets resembling graphene. The ADX analysis confirmed the corresponding atomic composition where the 30 UV30 samples has the highest carbon content and was selected as the optimal sample for further electrochemical performance testing. This finding indicates that ultrasonic treatment effectively reduce oxygen functional groups and increase carbon content in the material. The figure presents the CV curve of supercapacitor electrodes fabricated from three samples. The cyclic voltammetry CV analysis of three samples revealed charged storage characteristic resembling those of electric double-layer capacitor. The UV30 sample exhibit a more stable CV curve, scan rates ranging from 10 until 100 millivolt per second, suggesting superior ion-electrode interaction and enhanced electrochemical stability. In contrast, the UV0 sample, which didn't undergo ultrasonic treatment, demonstrated the lower stability, likely due to a less disparate or homogeneous material structure. Meanwhile, the UV60 sample subjected to ultrasonic treatment for 60 minutes saw the decreased stability at higher scan rates, possible due to structural imperfection induced by prolonged ultrasonic exposure. So overall, ultrasonic treatment for 30 minutes yield the most favorable performance, providing better stability compared to both UV0 and UV60. Okay, this conclusion, the result of this study indicate that using ultrasonication significantly improves the quality and properties of reduced graphene oxide derived from coconut shell biomass, and then the variation of ultrasonication treatment time were shown to affect the structure, morphology, elemental position, electrochemical properties of RGO, especially 30-minute ultrasonication treatment produce a delaminate sheet morphology, increased carbon content, and improved stability in cyclic voltammetry curve, indicating excellent electrochemical performance and ideal capacitive behavior. This research highlights the effectiveness of utilizing ultrasonication as the cost-effective strategy for producing high performance, reduced graphene oxide, paving the way for sustainable energy storage application. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.